Layeredge dates for the listing TGE token unlock and distribution is closer than you think. All right, so coming over here right now to the Layeredge X account, you can see that the best information concerning this project that we still have right here is when they say that the website is refreshing and it has actually done 90% of the whole refreshing. All right, so right now guys, to be able to find out the listing dates, the unlock date, and of course the the token generation event for the Layeredge airdrop, we need to come over here to CoinMarketCap, where most of the information are available. You all know that CoinMarketCap is the website where we have raw data and of course important information of any cryptocurrency that you can ever think about. But before we continue with the video properly, please, if you are just coming across our channel for the first time, or if you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, kindly you subscribe to our channel using the subscription button down below, and also check the video description to see the link to our Telegram. Please kindly join our Telegram so that you'll be updated regularly on all things crypto. There are information that we share on Telegram which we do not share here on YouTube. So with that being done, let's now continue with the video. So over here guys, you can see this is CoinMarketCap right here, and of course this is the Layeredge price section right here. And of course the important thing that we need to filter out right here is of course the token unlock. Right now we click on it, and clicking on it right now, you can see this is the pie chart showing how the token is going to be unlocked and different allocations. And over here guys, you can see when you come over here to the unlock progress, you can see everything is still red, meaning that the token is still locked. Nothing has been unlocked yet. And right now, when are the token going to be unlocked? Well, we find out right here in this video. Trust me, it is closer than you can think of. So over here guys, you can see they said right here that we have the allocations divided into different percentages right here. And over here you can see core contributors are going to be getting 22%, foundation is 12%, and ecosystem and R&D is of course 15%. And we have community second phase. You can see this is second phase for the community. You can see it is going to be of course 17%, and we have the pre-seed right here being 5%, and of course we have the community, which is the first phase for the community. This is of course the TGE unlock, and this actually consists of 25%. We are going to be finding out the date right here on this video. So we have another community round, which is of course 5%. And right now guys, if you check over here, you can see no token has been unlocked yet. Everything is still locked. And coming down right here, you can see this is of course the dates for the unlocks right here. And over here guys, before we talk about this, we need to acknowledge this information that we have already shared right here on our Telegram channel, where one of the admin on the Discord actually said that the TGE will be next week, plus the allocation and the checker. All these are going to be next week. Today recording this video, this is Sunday. Of course the date is 25th of May 2025. All right, so right now the next week that they are talking about right here is starting from tomorrow. All right, so right now guys, as from this week that we are entering right now, we are going to be seeing the token allocation, and of course we are going to be able to check our allocation, and of course the claiming will come after that. All right, so right now guys, let's go back to CoinMarketCap. Looking over here right now, you can see these are the allocation and these are the dates for the unlocks, and of course these are the total amount of token that are going to be unlocked. So over here right now, on the 30th of May 2025, 50 million edging, which consists of 5% of the token, is going to be unlocked, and this 5% is of course for the community round. This is it right here for the community, meaning that the token is going to be unlocked on the 30th of May 2025. But when it comes to the 31st of May, that is when major or the highest amount of the token for the community is going to be unlocked, and this actually comes with 2 allocations, and of course this made up of 25% of the whole total supply. This simply means that we are going to have the token generation event on the 30th of May 2025, because the reason why I say that we are going to have the token generation event on the 30th of May is because we already have the unlock date. If the token is going to be unlocked, it means that's the token generation event, right? So this is just the simple information that we all need to put in mind right now. And another thing you need to know is that token generation event is different from listing, all right? Because if you check clearly, no exchange is talking about the Layeredge token listing. So after the token generation event, the next thing that we should be expecting is the listing date. And according to how it has been happening already, the listing date is not supposed to be very far from the token generation event date. So we're expecting the token the listing date to be maybe a week, 2 weeks, and a month, maximum of 2 months from the token generation event date. All right, so but we are expecting it not to be more than 2 weeks from the token generation event. All right, so this is the latest information right now concerning the Layeredge airdrop. So if you're watching this video right now, you need to know what you should be expecting and when you should be expecting it. All right, so this is the piece of information that I want to pass across to you guys right now. So if you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, or if you want to discuss about Layeredge, hit me up right there on the comment section. Let's now gist about it. So thank you for watching, guys. And over here, guys, you can see we have other dates right here. We have September, and this doesn't really concern us because this is actually going to be taking place in the future. You can see we have 2026, 2028, 2027, 2028, and so on. This is the how it has been divided according to how the importance is. All right, so this is the information I have to share with you guys right now, guys. So thank you for watching the video. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Let's now discuss about Layeredge. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Most importantly, use the link right there on the video description box to join us on Telegram. Thank you, and I'll talk to you on the next video that will be dropping very, very soon.